Picture this. You're walking down a street in New York City. The energy is electric, the coffee is strong, and you're feeling great. A friend spots you and says, "Hey, how's it going?" And you say, "Fine, thanks." Cue the awkward silence. A tumbleweed rolls by. Your friend slowly backs away. Okay, maybe not exactly like that. But here's the truth. Fine, thanks sounds robotic. It sounds like something from a 1980s English textbook. And real people in the US, in the UK, everywhere just don't talk like that. Hi, I'm Nina. And today, we're fixing that. By the end of this episode, you'll have natural, fluent answers to one of the most common questions in English. How are you? Let's go. But before we dive in, a quick favor. If you're learning English and you want lessons that actually sound like real life, hit that subscribe button. And if this episode helps you even a little, give it a like. It helps more students find this channel, and that makes me very happy. Okay. Now let's talk about why fine, thanks just doesn't work. Section 1. Why fine, thanks sounds unnatural. So what's wrong with fine, thanks? The truth is, nothing is grammatically wrong with it. It's correct English. The problem is that it sounds too formal, too flat, and a little cold. When someone asks, "How are you?" in American English, they usually don't want a formal report. They want a quick, real, human answer. Something that sounds like you're actually there in the conversation. Think of it like this. If your best friend asked, "How's life?" and you said, "I am well, thank you for asking," they would look at you like you just landed from another planet. So what do native speakers say instead? Let's look at 3 great options right now. Section 2. 3 natural alternatives. Option 1, mine is pretty good. This one is simple, friendly, and super common. Pretty good means you're doing well, but in a casual, relaxed way. You can say it alone or add a little more. Pretty good. Just got back from the gym. Pretty good. Thanks. Busy week, but good. Say it with me. Pretty good. Option 2, mine is not bad. This one might seem a little negative at first. Not bad sounds like it means something is just okay. But in real conversation, it actually means things are going well. It's humble and relaxed. You might hear it like this. Not bad, how about you? Not bad at all, actually. Had a great weekend. Let's say it together. Not bad. Option 3, can't complain. This one is a classic. Can't complain is a fun, easygoing way to say life is good. It usually means things are fine, maybe not perfect, but I have nothing to complain about. You'll hear it a lot from people who are a little older or in more relaxed settings. Like a neighbor chatting over the fence or a coworker in the hallway. Example, can't complain, sun is out, coffee is hot, life is good. Try it. Can't complain. Section 3. Vocabulary and usage tips. Let's break down a few key words from today's phrases. The word pretty, as in pretty good, is an adverb. It means quite or fairly. So pretty good means quite good. You can also say pretty tired, pretty busy, pretty excited. Americans use pretty like this all the time. The phrase can't complain uses a double negative. Can't plus complain. You are unable to find something bad to say, so it implies things are good. This is an idiom, a fixed expression with a specific meaning. And one bonus tip, after any of these phrases, you can add how about you or how or why are you doing. This keeps the conversation going and shows you're interested in the other person. That's a big part of sounding natural in English, being engaged. So, which phrase will you try first? Pretty good, not bad, or can't complain? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one, and I love hearing from you. If this lesson was helpful, please share it with a friend who's learning English. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, so you don't miss what's coming next. Every week, we have a new lesson, just like this one. Real, natural, cozy English for real life. And to every student listening right now, I know learning a new language takes courage. I know there are days when it feels hard or slow or like you're not getting there fast enough. But here's what I want you to remember. Every episode you listen to, every new phrase you try, every time you show up, it counts. You are building something real one word at a time. And I am so glad you're here. See you in the next one. Take care.